everyone. Today we read a book all about plants. What are the parts of a plant? Plants need water, air, and sun. Plants need space. Plants need nutrients. Nutrients are the food that living things need to grow. Plants get nutrients from soil and water. Plants parts. Plants have four parts. The parts that are the root, stem, leaves, and flowers. These parts help the plant get what it needs. Root. Grow into the soil. Roots have a plant in the roots hold a plant in place. Roots take water and nutrients from the soil to the stem. The stem takes water and nutrients to the leaf. The stem holds up the plant. Leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make food for the plant. Many plants have flowers. A flower makes seeds. Seeds make new plants. How are seeds gathered? Plants grow from seeds. When seeds are spread out, they have rooms to grow. Scatters mean to spread out. Fruit covers seeds. Fruit keep seeds safe. Fruits help scatter seed. Some fruit travel by air or water. Animals carry seeds to new places. The fruits of a maple tree look like wings. This shape helps them scatter. A fruit of a water lily has seeds. The fruit floats on the water. Birds are fruits. They hooked onto animals. This dog will help the scattered seeds in the bird. How are plants grouped? One group of plants have flowers. Other group of plants does not have flowers. Plants with flowers grow in many places. They can grow in gardens, fields, or deserts. Trees are plants. Some trees have flowers. Peach trees grow flowers. The flowers make peaches. Peaches are fruits. Fruits cover peach seeds and keep them safe. Plants without flowers. Some plants do not have flowers. Some plants have cones. The seed grows inside the cone. The cone opens the seeds and seeds fall out. The seeds grow into new trees. Pine trees have cones with seeds. Ferns do not have flowers. Ferns do not make seeds. Ferns have leaves, roots, and stem. Ferns live in warm, shady, wet places. How are some woodland plants adapted? Living things have adapted or changed to live in many places. An environment is a place with living things and non-living things. A woodland is a kind of environment. Pine trees are adapted to the cold. Many trees are adapted to warm summers and cold winter. Maple trees have big, flat leaves. These leaves drop off in fall. This helps the trees store water for the winter. Plants that live near water. Some plants in woodland environment live near water. These plants are adapted to live where it is wet. This red plant is called a cornelian plant. Its roots are adapted to get nutrients from wet soil. The stinging needles have sharp hairs to help keep it safe from animals that want to eat it. The fernwood adapted to live in water. Some perine plants adapted. Many plants in perine environment. A perine has lots of grass and few trees. Many paradise have hot summers with little rain. Some paradise have adapted to hot water. This helps when it does not rain. Gold and natural plants have stiff stems and leaves. This helps the plants get water they need to live. Perry smoke has furs that traps air. The air helps plants hold water. Perry grasses have small leaves that help hold water. How are some desert plants adapted? Many deserts are sunny and hot all day. Deserts can be cool at night. Deserts get little rain. Some desert plants are adapted to hold water for a long time. Some leaves on the desert among stay out of the sun. These leaves can hold water in the plant. The saguaro cactus have a long, thick stems. The stem holds water. The octopus tree has short leaves and long spines. The spines keep the plant safe from animals that want to eat it. How are some marsh plants adapted? A marsh is a wet environment. Many plants grow in marsh. The soil in marsh may not have many nutrients. Plants in a marsh get nutrients in other ways. Cactus grow in wet soil. They are adapted to nutrients from the water in the soil. A sunflower plant hairs that trap insects. The plant gets some nutrients from the insects. A Venus flytrap also gets some nutrients from insects. Plants are adapted to the environment. Plants live in many kinds of places. Every plant grow needs food, water, air, and sunlight to grow. Glossary. Adapted means change to be able to live in a certain environment. Environment means a kind of places with living things and non-living things. Flowers means the part of a plant that makes seeds or fruit. Leaves means flat green parts growing from the stem of a plant. Nutrients mean food that living things need to grow. Prairie means a place with flat land, a lot of grass and few trees. Roots mean part of a plant grows into the ground. Stem means the part of a plant that grows up from the ground. We have done the book all about plants. See you next time with another book. Bye.